Hi, good morning everyone. Hope you all are fine at home. Today we will start new topic, application of linear equation. So first we will discuss what are the concepts we can use here, application of linear equations. In this I have first question is Simi's mother is 28 years older than Simi and Simi's mother is 4 years younger than Simi's father. So their total age is 84 years. What is the age of Simi's mother? That you have to find it here. So in this statement, first you just understand the statement and translate this statement one by one. So because all is moving around Simi's age, so first we consider Simi's age is equal to X years. Then after that it is written in your question, Simi's mother is 28 years older than Simi. So whatever Simi's age is there, if we add 28 years in Simi's age, so that becomes mother age. And next, if you are going to calculate the father age, and it is given in your question, if you add 4 years in Simi's mother age, that becomes Simi's father age. And if you add all ages like mother's age, father age and Simi's age, then total becomes 84 years. So what is the age of Simi's mother? That you have to find. So according to the statement, Simi's age is equal to X years, mother's age is equal to X plus 28 years, father's age is equal to X plus 28 plus 4 is equal to X plus 32 years. Then according to the statement, when you add all the ages, that is equal to 84. So that is 3x plus 60 is equal to 84. So after transposing, 84 minus 60 gives you 24 and cross multiplication, 24 divided by 3 gives you 8. If you find the value of x, then that means Simi's age is equal to 8 years. And mother's age is equal to x plus 28 is equal to 8 plus 28 is equal to 36 years. Next, your second question of your assignment is, Alok has 3 times as much as money as Ria. If Ria monies we consider as x, then according to the statement, Alok money is 3 times the Ria's money. Ria has rupees 200 less than Madhav and Madhav has 50 rupees more than Alok. If from the Alok Madhav money is 50 rupees more, so and it is 200 rupees less than, so among these two, so we consider any one statement. Okay, so here there are two conditions is written that Ria has 200 rupees less than Madhav and Madhav has 50 rupees more than Alok. Okay, so instead of writing this statement, if we just consider that Ria's money is equal to x, according to the statement, Alok money is equal to 3x and Madhav money, if you add 50 rupees in Alok's money, so that becomes Madhav's money. Okay, and together if you add the amount of all these 3%, so that is 575. Find the amount of money each has, that you have to find it here. X plus 3x plus 3x plus 50 is equal to 575. So no need to use that one, because either we can use Ria has 200 less than Madhav or this statement. So any one of these two statements you have to use. So we can do with easiest way. Ria's money is x, Alok money is 3x and Madhav money is 3x plus 50. When you add all money, that give you 575. Now after transposing, adding like terms, you have to find the value of x. So here when I found the value of x here, so here 7x plus 50 is equal to 575. Then 7x is equal to 575 minus 50. So after transposing, so after cross multiply, 525 by 7 gives me 75. That means Ria money we consider as x, that is 75. Alok money is 3x, 3 into 75, 225, and Madhav money is 3x plus 50. 3x plus 50, 3x 3 into 75 plus 50 gives you 225 plus 50 is equal to 275. If you check from the statement that it is given that if you subtract 200 from other money, that becomes Ria money. So that condition is satisfied. If you subtract 200 from 275, that gives you exactly Ria money that is given in your statement. Or if you add 50 in Alok's money, that give you Madhav money. So you have to use any one of the statement here. Next is your third question. Aman has 3 boxes. Box A weigh 2 times as box B and box C weigh 5 kg more than box B. The total weight of the boxes is 35 kg. How many kg does each box weigh? So in this case, I just read the statement, translate one by one. Aman has 3 boxes A, B and C. So if we consider, because it is given then A is 2 times of B, okay, and C is 5 kg more than the B. That means B is the center point. So we consider box B weight is equal to x kg. According to the statement, box A becomes 2x and box C become x plus 5. And total weight is given to 35 kg. When you add all these three different weight A, B, C, x, 2x and x plus 5 is equal to 35. So after transposing and cross multiply, x value gives you 7.5 kg. So if you got the x value, you substitute it here one by one. X is 7.5 kg. Box A is 2x is equal to 2.75, 15 kg, and C, box C weight x plus 5 kg is equal to 7.5 plus 5, because that is 5 kg more than the C value weight of C. So that is 12.5 kg. Next, your fourth question is, your statement is Gaurav spent 1 by 3 of his pocket money on books. Gaurav has some pocket money. When he went to the market, he has some money. We don't know what was the initial amount when he went to the market, but he spent on books 1 by 3 part, and 3 by 4 part of the total money he spent on chocolates. And total money, he found that total money he spent in the market is 62.50. You have to find when he went to the market what was his initial money. So let initial amount of money when he went to the market we consider as x rupees, spend on books x by 3, and after spending on the books, because whatever remaining money was left, so he buy chocolate from that remaining money. So remaining money is, if total money was x, then x minus x by 3. If you subtract the book part of the book from that money spent on books, subtract from the original money, so that gives you remaining money x minus x by 3, and money spent on chocolate is remaining money, 3 by 4 part of the remaining money, x minus x by 3. So when you calculate, so money spent on chocolates give you x by 2, then total money spent is equal to 62.50. Then according to the statement, if you add money spent on books and money spent on chocolates, that must be equal to 62.50. So if you take the LCM on the left hand side, LCM is equal to 6. 2x by 6 plus 3x by 6 is equal to 62.50, and after cross multiply, adding and cross multiply, so I get x value is 75. That means initial amount of Gaurav when he went to the market he has is 75 rupees. Next is your fifth question. Ratio of Sumit money to Raman's money was 3:5 at first. After Raman spent rupees 350 and Sumit earned 250, both have equal amount of money. How much money did Raman have at first? That you have to find. Only both initial money ratio is given, not exact money is given to you. Ratio money of very beginning, Sumit money and Raman's money is 3:5. Okay, but Raman spent or spent somewhere as 350 rupees, and Sumit gained 250 rupees. After gaining and spending, both has equal amount of money. You have to find, so what was the initial amount of money Raman had. So first we will consider, if ratio is given to you 3:5 here, like of both the money, So let Raman's initial money was 5x and Sumit's initial money was 3x. After spending 350 rupees, Raman's money left is equal to 5x minus 350, and after earning 250 rupees, Sumit's new money addition is 3x plus 250. And according to the statement that after changes in the money, whatever money they both have, that must be equal to each other. 5x minus 350 is equal to 3x plus 250. After transposing and cross multiply, we get x value is equal to 300. That means Raman's initial money is equal to 5x, that is 5 into 300 is equal to 1500 rupees, and Sumit initial money is equal to 3x, 3 into 300 is equal to 900 rupees. Next, our sixth question is of your worksheet. There are 11 apples and oranges in a basket. In a basket, total quantity of apples and oranges is 11. If the number of apples are 20% more than the oranges, so whatever oranges quantity is there, so if we find the 20% of oranges and add in the same quantity of oranges, the quantity of apples will be find out. Now you have to find the number of apples and oranges in the basket. So let number of oranges is equal to x and number of apples is, if you add 20% of oranges in quantity of oranges, then quantity exactly equal to number of apples, then x plus 20% of x, because we consider x as quantity of oranges, and when you find 20% of x and add in the quantity of oranges, so that quantity is exactly equal to the quantity of apples, so that is x plus 20 by 100x. Or when you find the LCM of this one, after finding the LCM, 100 plus 20 by 100x is equal to 120 by 100x is equal to 1 by 2x. Then according to the statement, if you add the quantity of oranges and apples, that must be equal to 11. So x plus 1.2x is equal to 11. Because when you find the LCM of this, 120 by 100, 0 will be cancelled and 12 by 10 changes to 1.2x. Or you can keep as it is 12 by 10 else x. Also here you have to take the LCM in your question, or either you can go with the decimal or either you can go with 12 by 10 x. Then x plus 1.2x is equal to 11. So after addition, 2.2x is equal to 11, x is equal to 11 by 2.2. So after cross multiply, we get the x value as 5. X is equal to 5. The number of oranges is equal to 5. Then according to x value, number of apples is equal to 1.2 into x is equal to 1.2 into 5. After multiplication give me 6. That means in the basket total quantity of oranges is 5 and number of apples is equal to 6. Now seventh question is, present age of Rajin and Monica are in the ratio 5:2. 7 years ago, that means 7 years before, their ages was 4:1. You have to find the present ages of both of them. So if present ratio is 5:2, according to that, Rajiv's present age must be 5x and Monica's present age must be 2x. But 7 years back, Rajiv's age was 5x minus 17 and Monica's age was 2x minus 17. And according to the statement, 7 years ago, ratio was 4:1 or 4:1. After cross multiply and transposing, first you have to multiply 5x minus 17 is equal to 4 into 2x minus 17. When 4 multiply each and every term within the bracket, that gives you 8x minus 68. So after transposing on either sides, so 8x minus 5x give me 3x and 68 minus 17 give me 51, and after cross multiply, 51 by 3 gives me 17. That means my x value is equal to 17. According to that, Rajiv's present age, at very first we consider 5x and 5 into 17 is equal to 85 years, and Monica's present age is equal to 2x, 2 into 17 is equal to 34 years. Now eighth question is your worksheet. The tens digit of two digit number is half the digit at one's place. So meaning of this line is, if you have any two digit number, so at a unit place, so whatever digit is present at the unit place, so tens place digit is half of that unit place digit, or you can consider unit place digit is 2 times the digit present in the tens place. So if we consider, because here in your previous chapters you will consider as two variable x and y, but here we are dealing with linear application, so we are allowed to consider only one variable, not x and y, different two variables. So in that case, so we consider if digit at unit place is 2x, and according to the statement 10 place digit will be x, that is half of the one place digit. When you divide 2x by 2, that give you x. Or you can consider this statement as same as means tens place ones place digit is 2 times the 10 place digit, and this statement can also be written like that. If the digits are interchanged, if you swap the digit place, so new number formed will be, if you add in the original number 36, then a new reverse number will be formed. You have to find what was the original number before that. So let the digit at one place is equal to 2x and digit at tens place is equal to x. So original number according to that, because one place is 2x here and tens place is x. 10 place means you have to multiply that particular digit with 10, and unit place multiply with the 1. So 10x plus 2x give me 12x, that is my original number. But if you reverse this digit, tens and or you swap the digit of ones place and tens place, so that becomes, in place of x it will be considered as 2x, and in place of 2x it will be considered as x. So 10 into 2x plus x give me 21x, that is a new reverse number. Then according to the statement, new number must be equal to, if you add 36 in the original number, so if in this way, according to the statement, reverse number must be equal to original number plus 36. Now you transpose the x value on the left side. 9x is equal to 36, and after cross multiply, 36 divided by 9 gives me 4. After getting the x value, I can directly place it here. What was my original number? 12x. So 12 into 4 give me 48. So that means my original number was 48. If I want to check what was the 10 place digit, 10 place digit we consider as x, that is 4, and 1 place digit 2 into x is equal to 2 into 4 is 8. So that is a 48. Next, your ninth question is there. In the ninth question, same question is there like 8th question, only statement is interchanged. One's digit of 2 digit number is twice of 10 digit. So that is another form of same statement, because in the previous one 10 digit of 2 digit number is half the digit of one's place. Here same statement written in the another way, like one digit one's place or unit place digit of 2 digit number is twice of the 10 digit. That means digit at one place is 2x and digit at tens place is x, and original number is same as our previous question, 10 into x plus 2x 12x, and after reversing new number becomes 21x. If you reverse the digit like this, and this digit, if you swap the digit of unit and tens place, so new reverse number will be formed. Then according to the statement here, if you add 27 in original number, the new number will be formed, that is exactly same as the reverse or swap the digits of the original number. So after transposing and cross multiply, we get the x value as 3. Then we apply here in the original number 12x. So in place of x, if I multiply 3, 12 into 3 is equal to 36. Then 10 place digit x is equal to 3, and 1 place digit according to the statement 2x is equal to 6. If you check here, 10 place is 3 and unit place is 6. Now your 10th question is there. A boat goes down stream from point A to another point B in 6 hours. Like here, so suppose this is a river here. So here this is A and B. We don't know the distance, whatever boat has to cover it there. Only it is given that downstream means in the when a boat move in the direction of the uh, speed, direction of the water, you can say that, or direction of the stream, so that we call it a downstream. If boat move against the direction of the stream, against the flow of the water, so that we call it a upstream. Okay, so when boat starting from here A to B, suppose it flows according to the direction in the form of stream, so wherever direction of stream is there, so that is from A to B, so that we call it a downstream. But if it would move back to B to A, so that is move against the direction of the stream, so that we call it upstream. So it is given in your question that when boat move from this to this direction, it takes 6 hours, and when move back to B to A, it takes 8 hours. Basically, you have to find here what is the distance between this A and B. And if boat is moved in the still water, if the speed of stream 3 kilometer per hour, find the speed of the boat in still water, because if speed of the stream is a different thing, speed of a stream is given to you 3 kilometer per hour, but speed of the boat in still water is not given to you. First you have to find speed of a boat in still water. So we consider speed of a boat in still water is x kilometer per hour, and speed of stream is equal to 3 kilometer per hour. And if boat move to the downstream, or we can say that in the direction of the stream, so that means that goes in the positive direction. And if anything go against the direction, that we call it negative directions, or like distance will be subtracted, but we never add the distance like that. So it is considered as it, if it move along the stream, so that is positive, but if it move against a stream, so that is negative. So that means speed of the boat in downstream, because still water speed is also added in that. So speed of water, speed of boat, sorry, actual, if there was no flow of the water is there, so what was the speed of the boat without the flow of the water? If there is no movement in the water is there, so what was the speed of the boat? So that we consider as x kilometer per hour, because sometimes what is happen, if already water is flow in a particular direction, so if boat is moving according in the direction of the flow of the water, so boat boat speed is increased, because also speed of the stream is also added. Okay, but if it move against the flow of the water, so that means boat has to do more efforts to move it against the flow of the water. So that means that speed of the boat will be subtracted from the, sorry, speed of the whatever your stream is there, whatever stream is there, that will be subtracted from speed of the boat in still water. So here, so according to that, if it is downstream, we'll consider as x plus 3, because 3 is the speed of the stream. Okay, if it will move, अगर कोई भी एक, अगर आपकी बोट एक ऑलरेडी फ्लो हो रहा है उसके साथ जा रही है, तो ओबियसली उसकी स्पीड ज़्यादा होगी. बट अगर वो स्पीड के अगेंस्ट जा रहा है, कोई मूवमेंट, कोई व्हीकल मूव कर रहा है, कि जैसे अगर आप एयर की भी फॉर्म लो, कि अगर जिस तरफ हवा चल रही है, अगर आप खुद की मूवमेंट चेक करो कि जिस तरह अगर हवा नहीं चल रही है, आप उसके अगेंस्ट मूव करना चाहो, तो आपको ज़्यादा एफर्ट्स लगाने पड़ेंगे, तो उसमें आपकी ऑलवेज स्पीड कम होगी जब आप किसी के अगेंस्ट मूव करते हो. तो इसी तरह से अगर व्हेन यू मूव against the flow of the water, so in that case your speed will be decreased, and when you move along the flow of the water, your speed will be increased. According to that, downstream x plus 3 kilometer per hour, and upstream is x minus 3 kilometer per hour. Next is, so distance covered. Now you have to find what should be the distance covered between A to B according to the downstream and upstream. According to the downstream, it will take time, will be take 6 hours, because less time, speed will be more. Upstream, more time, speed will be less because you are moving against the flow of the stream. So here distance will be speed into time, 6 into x plus 3 kilometer, and upstream distance will be covered 8 into x minus 3 kilometer according to the statement, but distance is same according to the downstream and according to the upstream. So there will be a changes in the time and speed also, but distance never be changed because distance, यहाँ पे distance fix है कि A और B के movement, अगर A से B तक की movement हो रही है तो 6 hours ले जा रहे हैं, from B back B to A it will take 8 hours, that means more hour, but distance will not be changed, distance is same. According to that, distance covered in downstream and upstream is equal to same. So when you multiply that one, 6 into x plus 3 and 8 into x minus 3, one by one you have to multiply all these two terms with 6 and 8 also multiply these two terms, 6x plus 18, 8x minus 24, 18 plus 24 is equal to 8x minus 6x. After transposing and cross multiply, we get x value is equal to 21. So that means speed of boat in still water is equal to 21 km per hour. Total distance covered, you can choose any one of this equation because distance is same. So I choose first one. So 6 into x plus 3 give me distance 144 km. That means distance between the 2 points A and B is equal to 144 kilometers. Thank you. Have a nice day.